Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zendesk for sales ticket management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Zendesk for sales ticket management, visit the Zendesk website. Sign in to your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the admin center. Locate the plan section in the left sidebar. Click on subscription to view your current plan details. If you're not on a suitable plan for sales ticket management, click on Upgrade or Change Plan. Review the available plans that support ticket management features. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Follow through the prompts to enter your payment information. Now, click on Channels in the left sidebar. Select Tickets to begin setting up your ticketing system. Customize your ticket settings according to your business requirements. Add agents by going to the People section in the Admin Center. Click on Add Agent to invite team members who will manage tickets. Train your team on how to use the ticketing system effectively. Start creating your first ticket by navigating back to the Tickets section. Click on the New Ticket button to enter ticket details. Assign the ticket to the appropriate agent for follow-up. Monitor ticket status and keep track of responses. Use reporting tools to analyze ticket trends and performance. This concludes your guide on subscribing to Zendesk for sales ticket management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.